Your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. So when it comes to improving it, things like adding space, improving security, or cutting down on energy costs, you want someone you can actually trust to get it right. That's exactly what our team at Vinyl Professionals Windows and Doors has been doing since 2001. With over 3,000 completed installations across the GTA and Southern Ontario, we built a reputation for quality workmanship, honest advice, and results that genuinely improve the way you use your space. Our custom enclosures are our cream of the crop. Whether it's your front porch, your backyard patio, or even your basement entrance, we have mastered the art of transforming underused outdoor spaces into fully protected, functional areas you can enjoy every single day. Custom-built aluminum frames, full glass panels, and a design that's tailored to fit your home exactly as it stands. And yes, our enclosures are built to withstand Canadian weather. That means snowstorms, wind, freezing temperatures, humid summers, and everything in between. Front porch enclosures are our most popular choice, and it's easy to see why. They add curb appeal, protect your entryway, and create a transition space that keeps the cold, the mud, and the mess outside where it belongs. Backyard patio enclosures do the same thing on the other end of the house, turning your outdoor space into a year-round spot for dinners, relaxing, or just getting away from the mosquitoes. Our enclosures have unique benefits for each season. In winter, it acts as an airlock, keeping cold air out and your heating bills down. In summer, it keeps insects out while letting the breeze in. In spring and fall, it's simply the best room in the house. And if you have a basement entrance, you already know what Ontario winters do to it. Snow piling up, ice forming on the stairs, moisture creeping to the door. Our basement entrance enclosures put a stop to all of it. Custom built to fit your entrance exactly, they keep water, snow, and wind away from the door, add a layer of security, and protect your basement entry year-round. A simple upgrade with a serious impact. Regardless of where your enclosure is installed around your home, you can always expect it to create a physical barrier between your doors and the outside world, protecting against package theft, uninvited visitors, and even forced entry. The glass we use is specifically chosen because, unlike tempered glass, it doesn't shatter on impact, meaning any intruder has to fight sharp shards of glass before they even get near your home's door. We also install CSA-certified energy-efficient replacement windows and a full range of entry doors, including fiberglass, steel, traditional, contemporary, and rustic styles, as well as sliding patio doors. If your windows are aging, they're likely letting outside temperatures creep in and driving up your energy bills. Upgrading to new double or triple pane units makes a noticeable difference in comfort and efficiency, saving you money in the long run. All of our installation services tie in nicely with our robust warranty terms. All of our materials are sourced from Canadian manufacturers that our team has worked with personally for over a decade. That relationship means better materials, better pricing, and the confidence to back every installation with a 25-year warranty. And while most enclosure companies take days to finish a single job, we take about 4 hours. Every panel is pre-cut and prefabricated before our team even arrives at your door, which means no extended construction, no mess left behind, and no disruption to your daily life. Every job comes with our no-mess guarantee. The site is left exactly as it was found, or cleaner. This speed of installation means sometimes we even install 2 enclosures in one day. We are also available for installations all year round. Unlike most companies that push installations to spring, we work through every season, including the middle of winter. With a 4.9-star rating across over 80 Google reviews and a perfect 5 out of 5 on Homestars, the results speak for themselves. Thousands of families across the GTA have trusted us to upgrade their homes, and the reviews reflect exactly what our team promises. Fast, clean, high-quality work every time. Visit vinyl-pros.ca to learn more or request your free quote.